All right, guys, I told you I'd go to Home Depot when they had their Halloween stuff out. We've already gone over Home Depot and Lowe's. Lowe's got all their stuff out first, but let's see if Home Depot has the last laugh. Let's see if Home Depot is the best place to go buy our Halloween stuff. Of course, you have all the Halloween stores that focus on that, but it's very easy to just run to your local Home Depot or wherever else to buy this stuff. I'm not sponsored by Home Depot or anything. This is just a little fun series I like to do for the season, for Halloween. If you've never seen my channel before, Dave Doc DIY, I do homeowner and DIY tips, a lot of shorts and longer form videos, so check all that stuff out. Let's go into Home Depot and see the setup they have for Halloween. Now, in this section, you're going to see the front yard style ornaments that are pretty awesome, actually. These are like the animatronics that you would basically see on like Pirates of the Caribbean and Disney World. These things are freaking awesome. You've got the skeleton bartender, you've got the skeleton barmaid, you've got this witch that's definitely pretty creepy. The guy on the left is called the Boogeyman, which I don't know. I've never seen a boogeyman that looks like that, but if that's what the Boogeyman looks like, he's a little scary. Over in this section, you have this crazy orange clown, and they have all of these foot pedals set up where you can go around and test all of these out. There's people walking by in the store that are definitely not about Halloween. They're freaked out by it. This rocking chair fisherman was definitely one of the creepiest ones that I have seen there. It was probably my favorite one. As I said earlier in the Lowe's versus Home Depot video, my kids really don't do scary. Neither does my wife, so we won't be seeing many of these things on my front lawn this year, but I love to see all of this stuff and how intriguing it gets every year. Now, as far as regular ornaments go, Home Depot's obviously loaded on all of that stuff. They've got all of the pumpkin stuff over here, most of it reasonably priced. I think the pumpkins are a little expensive in my opinion. There's a back view to see how huge Jack Skellington is over there. He is massive and he's like $400. Here's all of the inflatables, all of that fun stuff. These are priced exactly the same as Lowe's. They have most of the same stock as far as I see as Lowe's as well. Maybe a little bit less Haunted Mansion stuff. You have a fog machine here for $50. You have fog controls. You can get a fog machine set up for a little under $100 from Home Depot, which isn't too bad. I'm sure Amazon has some deals on that. And just like Lowe's, they have a lot of skeletons. So props to the crew that set this up in my Home Depot. They really put in a lot of work on it, and it's always exciting to see this stuff coming in for the season. And this is pretty much going to wrap up my Halloween content for the year. Well, guys, I knew it. Home Depot didn't mess around with their gear. So if you're looking for some front yard displays, inflatables, all that kind of stuff, I mean, Home Depot's bringing the heat. Their display does not mess around here. Home Depot's got some cool Halloween stuff. There's a lot of stuff that I want, but definitely a lot of it's pretty expensive. That's it for my 2023 Halloween series. My wife thinks it's hilarious that I'm even posting these videos, but I know it's something that people might be interested in seeing what's in the stores. Plus, it's just fun to get into the spirit early because it's like 94 degrees out here today, and I'm dying. That's it for Halloween Wars 2023. Dave Doc DIY. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you next time.